Welcome. In this video, we will demonstrate the replacement of a mechanical seal in Viking Pump's GB-410 series. Before you begin, please consult the appropriate technical service manual for safety information. A copy of the latest revision can be found on our website at vikingpump.com. Tools required include a flathead screwdriver, torque wrench, nylon block, channel lock pliers, length of PVC tubing, Allen wrenches, O-ring pick, a pair of picks, snap ring pliers, impact driver, anti-seize, light oil, O-ring grease, degreaser, assembly lubricant, and brake cleaner. Included in your seal kit, you will find a mechanical seal, thrust bearing, seal washer, seal holder O-ring, snap rings, seal holder cap screws, and bearing end cap cap screws. To begin, using snap ring pliers, remove the snap ring. Next, use a 3/16 inch Allen wrench to remove and discard the bearing end cap cap screws. Also with a 3/16 inch Allen wrench, remove and discard the seal holder cap screws. To aid with seal removal, thread bearing end cap cap screws into the jack bolt holes located on the seal holder assembly. Alternate tightening these jack bolts to gently push the seal holder out. To break the grip of the mechanical seal, place a nylon block between the seal holder and the bracket. Then, with a soft-headed hammer, tap the shaft until the seal holder assembly is released. It is possible that the stationary seal face and retaining ring will remain on the shaft after removing the seal holder. Next, remove the thrust bearing from the seal holder. Remove the seal holder O-ring. Retain the seal holder assembly and bearing end cap for reassembly. You may discard the other seal components. Using snap ring pliers, remove the retaining ring. Remove the stationary seal face. It is possible that the rotary seal face will be removed with the stationary seal face. Use a pair of picks to remove the mechanical seal. It is possible to break the grip of the seal by placing a length of tubing over the shaft and tapping it until it is released. Remove the spring. Remove the spring guide and seal washer. Finally, inspect the end bore snap ring for any corrosion or damage and replace if necessary. Before seal installation, thoroughly clean and inspect the seal chamber and shaft. Clean and inspect the bearing end cap and seal holder assembly. For seal installation, first, lubricate and install the seal holder O-ring. Next, apply assembly lubricant to the stationary seal face and the seal holder assembly. Install the seal face into the seal holder with the lap side facing up. Ensure that it is fully seated. Install the seal washer. Install the spring guide. Install the spring. Make sure it is fully seated on the spring guide. Next, lubricate the shaft and rotary seal face with assembly lubricant and place on the shaft. You can use the seal holder assembly to press it into position. Ensure that it is fully engaged with the spring. Rinse the seal faces with brake cleaner. And install the seal holder assembly. Ensure that the slots on the seal holder are at the 3, 6, 9, and 12 positions. Apply anti-seize to the seal holder cap screws and install. Using snap ring pliers, install the retaining ring in the groove on the shaft. It may be necessary to pull on the shaft to make sure that the snap ring is fully seated in the groove. Next, lubricate the shaft and thrust bearing with light oil. Install the thrust bearing. Make sure the text on the outer race of the bearing is facing out. Install the bearing end cap. Apply anti-seize to the bearing end cap cap screws and install. Torque both the seal holder cap screws and bearing end cap screws in a crisscross pattern to 60 inch-pounds. Install the final snap ring into the groove on the shaft. It may be necessary to pull on the shaft to make sure the snap ring is fully seated in the groove. Finally, turn the shaft manually to ensure the pump rotates smoothly. Because of the tight clearances, a spanner wrench may be required. Your Viking pump GB-410 series pump has a new mechanical seal and is ready to be put back into service. For more information, visit our website at vikingpump.com.